How do people create animated Stickman videos using AI completely free? Many creators are asking this question because the niche is growing. Some channels gain thousands of subscribers within only a few months. The best part is that the process is surprisingly simple. Most successful channels use images instead of complicated character animation. They focus on storytelling, valuable information, and engaging voiceovers. Today, I'll show you the complete workflow from start to finish. Every successful video starts with a simple idea or topic. First, use AI to generate a complete script automatically. AI can instantly create scenes, narration, and storyboard instructions. Next, generate consistent Stickman images using an AI image tool. Within seconds, you'll have all the images your video needs. Now organize every image carefully in the correct scene order. Proper organization makes the entire editing process much easier later. Upload your images into an AI video generation platform. The AI automatically transforms static images into animated video clips. Each scene is processed individually without requiring manual animation work. After processing, your video clips are ready for production. The next step is creating a professional voiceover narration. Simply paste your script into an AI voice generator. Choose a voice that matches your content and audience. The AI generates professional narration within only a few seconds. Import your video clips and narration into editing software. Carefully synchronize the voiceover with each individual scene. Add smooth transitions to create a better viewing experience. Preview the completed project and make final improvements. Export your finished video using the highest quality settings. Upload consistently and follow a regular content publishing schedule. More quality videos create more opportunities for channel growth. Start today, stay consistent, and build your successful AI channel.